Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and saying to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Guys, look at this YouTube channel. This is most popular influencer on YouTube. He is earning millions of dollars a month from YouTube and other business. He built this empire, but success cannot come in one day. Remember, great things takes time. But guys, in this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your phone. But today, you don't need any YouTube channel. You just copy and paste, then your earning will start. First, come on this website called gplinks.com. This is a link sharing website. Here you can create links and share with your friends. When your friends visit links, you will earn some money. Here you can see some payment proof. You can earn $500 per month using this amazing trick. Now, sign up from the right side blue button. You can sign up using your email or Google. After signing up, you have to create a link. To create a link, click on Create Link button and paste any link, then click Generate. Then you will get a shortened link. Now share it with your friends or followers. Every time you get visits, every time you will get paid. Here you can see some payment methods. So guys, I hope you understand how to start passive income using your phone. So bye-bye guys.